been a long road, but I'm still here. No rush, no fear, just precision, focus. From Scotland's cold to Manchester's run, London brought me back, had to realign. Built from nothing, now I'm sharp with time. Every scraw's a blueprint, every loss refined. Used to move reckless, now I move wise. No emotion in the moment, just truth in my eyes. Real patience and weakness is power disguised. Hide when it's needed, no surprise. Control. At Jace I choose, every step's a move. Build my peace from pain, now I never lose. Single, strong and free. My son's watching me. Legacy in motion, that's destiny. Used to fight with fools, now I fight with faith. Door-to-door days taught me how to wait. Now I plan in silence, execute in state. No noise of vision, that's how I create. Focus. Manchester scars, London lessons. Family built me, pain was the essence. Now I'm solo, but never lessen. Freedom's the crown, patience the weapon. I'm not the man I was, I'm the man I became. Calculated steps, no need for fame. Every move's a message, every breath to claim. Legacy. I built my peace, now I guard my name. Respect. From Scotland's chill to London's flame. Journey. I lost it all, but I rose again. Now it's me and my son, no need to explain. Calculated moves, that's how I remain. Patience, precision. Legacy, yeah. Yo. Patience, precision, legacy.